Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. Today I'm going to be making a summer layout with this Just Beachy Collection kit. It's from Simple Stories. It has 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock. It has a cut-apart element sheets, it has a few of those actually, and 92 stickers. Now I've already cut into this pack and used some of it. Let me flip this over so you can see all the gorgeous, vibrant colors in this. And let me bring in the sticker sheet here so you can see it. Now I've already used some of these, but you get 92 of them, and I love how you get like the word strip stickers here. I like that. And then there's some border stickers along the bottom. So very nice collection. Love this. And then I'm also going to be using these alphabet dies from scrapbook.com. This is the festive font, and I have both the upper and the lowercase. These are perfect for cutting titles for your scrapbook pages. So I'm going to be using this as well. Now I just have the one photo today. This is my daughter Tatum riding around with some of her closest friends. My daughter's right here, the brunette in the black shirt. This is going to be the intro page to her sophomore album. I have a playlist on my channel with her entire freshman scrapbook album. So I want to start her sophomore album, and this is going to be the very first page in that. So I'm super excited to get started. All right, so let me clear this out of the way and we will get into the layout. So I'm going to start, this is an 8.5 by 11 book that I'm working on. So I have a piece of 8.5 by 11 white daisy cardstock, and I want to go ahead and put this cute striped paper. I've already cut this down, and I have this scrapbook.com dotted adhesive runner. This is refillable. I like using this adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece of patterned paper here down, and we'll start this with the base. Okay, so I've got that pressed down here. So that'll be our background. And then I like this paper here. Now I've cut this down. Let me see here. This is 3 by 11. And this is actually the back side of that striped paper. So I want to glue this down here over to the right-hand side of the page. And so we'll put this down. And then let me go ahead and bring back in my picture. Now see, I've matted this. I have a 4 by 6 photo, and then I've matted it 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 raspberry cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then a 4 1/2 by 6 1/2 lagoon. Now I don't like where the cardstocks, the two papers meet up. I did find this sheet of shimmer trim, or the strip of shimmer trim. It's in my stash from Close to My Heart. And I'm not sure even what color it is. I just have this strip left, but I thought that I could cut this down and just kind of cover up where these papers intersect. I don't like to really leave them blank. I like to have something to cover them up, and I thought, you know what? This color actually looks good here, so I don't need a full strip. I can save that little piece. So I did go ahead and glue that down off camera. Let me bring back in my photo here. And so I think that's going to look really good. Okay, so I did go ahead and cut these tags. Now these were cut from the cut apart sheet that's in the kit. And I really like these, but I do think they need some ink. So I have here this this foam blending tool. This is from scrapbook.com, and so I'm going to put a little bit of this charcoal ink on the edges here just to bring it out so it stands out. I got a lot of color going on, and I don't want these tags to get lost, and so I thought maybe that adding a little charcoal ink would look good, and I do like that. So I'll go ahead and get the other one inked down off camera. So there we go. I got both of those inked. So let me go ahead and put a little bit of adhesive on the back of the photo. Now I don't want to put adhesive along this right side because I want to be able to tuck those tags in. Okay, So let me go ahead. I want to be able to put those tags all the way up to the right-hand side of the page. So let me get my photo stuck down. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Let me put a little adhesive on the back of these tags. So we'll get this stuck down. There are so many cut-aparts in this paper pack. It's a whole collection kit. So there's lots of these cut-aparts. There's, like I said, so many stickers. It's a really usable kit. I'm going to be able to get so many layouts out of this. Okay, let me move this up just a little bit. So I like the way that looks. Let me see what else I can find here. I did pull out this sticker, and let me find it here. I like this palm tree sticker. Now I did go ahead and put some powder on the back of this sticker so it doesn't have it sticky on it. So I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive on the back. And this will just kind of jazz up this tag a little bit and look a little more summery. So I'm going to put this palm tree sticker right on the back of here. So I like that. Okay. And then I did take one of the cut apart pieces and I used a circle die, and I wanted to make a little landing spot for embellishments down here in the left-hand corner. So you can see here there was a solid piece on one side of one of those cut-aparts. And so I didn't have any exact paper that matched it in that light color. Let me grab a spatula here because that's adhered down. So I'm going to add a little landing spot here so I can build an embellishment cluster over here on the left-hand side of this photo. All right, and so let me see what other stickers I can find here in the kit. And look at this. You are never going to believe this. This is so cute. Look at this little bus. I thought this was so perfect for this layout. I mean, the girls are riding around in a convertible, and you know, it's not a convertible, this little sticker, but it's a cute little bus. So I'm bringing in these 1mm foam squares from scrapbook.com. This is the thinnest dimension that they have, and so they don't add a whole lot of thickness to your layout, so I really like using this 1mm size. So I'm going to put a couple of these foam squares on the back of here just to pop this bus up, and then we'll layer it over the photo. Now I like putting some of my embellishments on top of the photo, kind of tucked in behind the photo. So I'm trying to build that up a little bit. So I'll put this one over the photo, and you can see I tucked the little landing spot, the little circle behind the photo, just to give it a little more visual interest here. All right, so this is looking super cute, and this is such a fast layout. So I found these flowers on the sticker sheet, and I think I want to tuck these behind and kind of give this L shape down here. So let me put a little adhesive on the back of here. And so we'll tuck this kind of behind here just to add a little more color to this side. And then I found this cute sticker, and this one says go somewhere. And isn't this perfect for teenagers? They're always going somewhere. And so I want to put this one, I want to overlap the photo some. And I love these little word sentiment strip stickers like this. And there's a lot of them on the sticker sheet in this pack. So many of them. So I think this looks super cute. There we go. So I'm really happy with the embellishments. I don't think I need any more stickers. I think I'm happy with the way this looks. All right, so now I need to start working on my title. And I did cut out the words Summer Fun using that alphabet set, the festive. And you'll notice here I did double layer these. I used the Lagoon cardstock that was from Close to My Heart, and then I double layered them with a white. And so what I did is I just offset them a little bit, and I thought that that white just kind of made it stand out a little better. I mean, I've got some busy pattern paper, and that's a little unusual for me. I usually like to start with a white base, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit and experiment with using some more patterns And with my daughter being in her teenage years, you know, I don't want to be just black and white and in the box. So I'm trying to go out of my box a little bit and use some bright colors. So the word summer fits perfectly across the top. I kind of wish I would have put this van a little bit more over to the left. I would have liked fun to fit between the van and the right hand side. It doesn't, but I'm just going to put it along the bottom. So I'm going to use this Artiste craft glue. It's a liquid glue. It's got a fine applicator tip, and I'm going to glue down. I'm going to start with the letter R and then work my way over backwards to get these lined up. So I'll glue down the letter R, and then I'll do the rest of these off camera. There we go. Got that one pressed down. And I've got them all done. I did look through my embellishments and I found these sequins, and these are from Pink and Main. This color is called Prom Dress Confetti. Earlier this year, they came out with tons of colors of these confetti sequins. And I was guest designing for them in the month, it was April, I believe, and I was guest designing for them, and I felt so blessed because they sent me every single color. And so I was very lucky to have those, and so I think this one matched perfectly. So this is Prom Dress. And then I am using Pink and Main's Pick Up and Place tool. It has a wax tip on it to place these, and this is a really good tool. It has a fine tip on one side, like a pokey tool, and then it has this wax tip to help you pick up sequins on the other. And it does come with 2 removable wax tips. So if something happens to one, you've got another one. So I'm going to place some of these. You've seen I placed some on the tag, and then I'm going to place some of these over here on this little landing spot. And, you know, I don't have 3 clusters, but I'm kind of considering that word summer, the title, as a cluster. So here we go. Here's a closer look at the final layout, and I really like how this has turned out. I really like it. I think it looks good. So now I'm going to add my layout to scrapbook.com's 8.5 by 11 sheet protectors. These are really good quality. And I do have product links down below in the description box for everything I've used today. And I do appreciate when you shop my links. I do earn a small commission, and that helps support me and my YouTube channel. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to leave me a comment. I do enjoy reading all of your comments. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.